Huzzah! And welcome back to Nightingale Plays the Witch's House. When we left off, I had to abruptly take a break. All that I really did was put a key in the bowl, and it turned black. So, anyway. I still can't believe that. Lend a hand, they say, and that's why chivalry is dead. It got selected out of the environment because when you help people, you die. I'm still gonna be chivalrous. It's kind of my thing. Alright, so, oh, that door unlocked. That's right. Gotta go through the door. And there's still cockroaches everywhere. Good. Door's open. Okay, so she's a ghost of some sort? Okay. Hello, cat. Clever. Alright. I feel like that's gonna kill me. What did it say? An armored figure with a spear. Yeah. That's gonna kill me. It's probably gonna chase me like that bear did at some point. I don't like that one. Small text. Save the butterfly. There was a butterfly in here, wasn't there? There's a blue wing. Take. Okay. Oh. Creepy. Picture of a white cat. Scrap of paper. Read. Rope in a barrel. Okay. That makes no sense. Lady with a parasol by the river. Small bookshelf. Book is missing. Alright, so I've gotta find... gotta save the butterfly. Gotta find a book that goes on that shelf. I don't really like it in here. Spider has poor eyes. He can't even tell colors. Okay. Probably a giant spider in here. Let's leave. Into this room. Ooh, sparkles. It's always a good sign. Let's not read the second book first. Okay, first one. Read. Keys do not open the doors in the witch's house. Something else must serve as a key. Yep. The form of the house changes based upon the witch's magic. Interesting. Open children encyclopedias of animals. I think I just saw something. XX-XX residence burns down. Blank and his wife, Blank, were found dead in the wreckage. Their bodies were found to have stab wounds, so it is suspected they were murdered in the building, then set aflame. Additionally, Blank's only daughter, Ellen, currently 7, has been missing since the fire. The police, police probably suspect her. That kind of looked like that ghost girl. Maybe I should stay away from her. Okay. Once upon a time, there was a rich man. I have a feeling this story actually isn't going to be funny. The rich man was pulling along a cart full of treasure. His cart had broken down in the woods, but there came a passing hunter and his dog. The rich man pleaded to the hunter to keep a close eye on his cart, to which the hunter agreed. The rich man went to get a new cart. Meanwhile, the hunter kept watch. Night soon fell, and the hunter grew worried for his elderly mother, still at home. So the hunter told the dog to watch the cart and went home to check on his mother. When the man returned, he saw the dog on guard. So he gave the dog a reward for his master, a silver coin to carry in his mouth. The dog ran all the way home and brought his master the coin. But the hunter flew into a rage. "I told you to watch the cart, and what did you do? You stole from it, so the master killed the dog." That's twisted. That's the poor dog. Oh. I'm kind of depressed, not scared. Oh, sure. Sorting these books isn't going well. Need something to tie them together. Okay. Something to tie them together. I doubt a letter would help. Oh, wait. Yeah, rope in a barrel. Oh, I gotta go back in the spider's room. Alright, so barrel, ropes. Must be a rope in a barrel somewhere. Nothing, 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 nothing. Oops. Yes. Take. Thank you. Perfect. Wait. No, I have a bad feeling about that. So I'm supposed to save the butterfly, but... Oh. No, I'm 100% sure that was not my imagination. Okay, so I feel like... Okay, so I'm supposed to save a butterfly, but it's gotta be the one that's caught in here. The other one, the spider probably eats me if I try to take that one. So, let's not take it, and we'll wait until we can take the blue one. Alright, so you there. You wanted something to tie the books together. Okay, I forgot. Can't do it that way. Rope. Yes, you can have the rope. You're welcome. Book of Death. I'm not reading that. Huh, I actually helped him and didn't die. Well, I feel like if I read the Book of Death, let's not follow them. Let's just not. Wait, what did he... Oh, book! Okay, we're gonna go shove this... Well, actually, I should say first. There's knights moving around. I progressed. There's... something's gonna happen. Save. Alright. Let's... Okay. Didn't mean to do that. Alright. Let's go shove the book in the shelf. Booyah. Don't read. Thank you very much, but I don't feel like dying. Yes. Place the book on the shelf. Awesome. Butterfly's free. That didn't sound like a butterfly. Okay. I'm brave. Let's do it. Ah! Ah! Oh my. Yeah, definitely not a butterfly. Alright. I gotta take a break. Jeez. Farewell. See you next time for another terrifying adventure.